guys, no, of course. Hope you guys had a great day so far as always. I'm going to back in because I can. I am customizing the Bravado rat truck. This thing already sounds super nice. As right now, the braking absolutely just is garbage. But I'm not going to spend $16,000 on brakes. Engine, nah, no engine. Engine bay, I will do that. That the chromed V8. Exhaust, of course you got to have the exhaust. Whoa. Well, that is cool. I feel like it does kind of ruin the truck a little bit though. Oh my gosh. I'll do... I'll go back to that. Man, why do they take everything off? Grill. They take everything off. Interesting. I guess I'll do this one. Hood. Whoa! That is cool. I just don't understand why they have to take everything off. I'll do that. Lights. Let's see. Windows, limo, of course. Respray this bad boy. Let's see. Whoa, that looks cool. Bronze. Huh. I do like the blues, but I have so many blues in my garage. I mean, I don't have a lot, but I don't want to have like some of the same colors though. Alright. Like 13,000 for that. GTA prices are ridiculous. Okay, can't go do that. Let's try matte. Let's go pure white. Okay, let's go back to the exhausts again. I mean, this looks so bad. Well, oh, why not? Fenders. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, finish the grill. Got the hood. Wheels. I like that they already have the high-end looking wheels. So, and I had to change them if I wanted to color them, so I think I'll skip that. I mean, it already sounded nice, but I mean, this thing is crazy. Oh, shut up, I don't want to listen to you. Ah! Oof. Sounds nice. Ouch. One hand is hard, people. Yeah, it's nice. I mean, I prefer they not take everything off the sides and the front, but it's a cool looking truck, I will not lie. So, hope you guys enjoyed this Bravado rat truck customization. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.